Presented by Randy First in the Woodlands, Texas. How to properly clean your garbage disposal.
Okay.
This is so easy. Your kids could do it. Make sure your children know how to operate the garbage disposal without getting hurt. Dirty clean. Your garbage disposal is a great appliance that makes your household duties a lot easier when it's maintained the way it's required. But if it's not operated or maintained properly, the garbage disposal can easily break down and clog the drains and cause a long list of expensive plumbing nightmares. This can cost you between $60 to $200 per hour for a handyman or plumber to come fix. Fortunately, most garbage disposal troubles are completely unnecessary, and care and maintenance is extremely easy. Treat your garbage disposal to a cleaning once a week to keep it in great condition and avoid unnecessary costs. First, pour a little dish soap and run with cold water for a few minutes. Then grind peelings from citrus fruits such as lemons or oranges to fresh up drain smells. Then pour about a cup of ice down the drain and allow the blades to sharpen. Do these 3 things once a week to keep your garbage disposal from smelling bad, attracting bugs and other hostile elements, and to keep your blades good and sharpened.